channel. If you're new, my name is Annika, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It is Labor Day weekend in New York, so I'm waiting for the. I just got off the train. I'm about to go on the bus. It is hot, so I never gave y'all a Labor Day vlog before, so I love this outfit. Oh, I got this outfit from Shein, by the way. I did order some more stuff from Shein. I just didn't give y'all a thing. This is actually a small, but I usually get a medium. But the medium, the shorts be like, when I get the medium, the shorts be big, a little bit big. And this small fit me just right. Plus, remember, I lost 7 pounds, so if I was with my regular 155, I don't think I would have fit this. So 155 minus 7 pounds, I'm like 148 now. Yeah, this fit me just right. I'm going on Eastern Parkway in Utica. That's where one of the main stops where the parade gonna be keeping tomorrow. I'm gonna show y'all because I know they're out there selling flags and everything. So, and then I think I'm going on Church Avenue to get some vegetables. Bus right here, but it's not the one I'm looking for. I'm looking for the regular bus because I want to get off for the stop before. This is a limited bus, and this bus don't stop at every stop. So I'm waiting for the regular bus. So I think I'll show y'all that ticket thing already. They have Juve tonight, Juve, whatever they call it. I never go because just like the parade, some shit always going down. So I just never go. And it's like late in the night. I think they start at, is it 8? I don't remember what time they start because I never go. But I think they start around 8 or probably 6. And then go straight in the morning, like around 5:30 in the morning or something like that. It's like a party in the street, like it's basically like the parade, but your thing with paint, like they throw some type of painting on you. I don't got time for that. Yeah, some paint shit. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I don't have time for that, so I just rather go to the parade. I think tomorrow I'm gonna go to the parade early. I don't know, or regular time. Oh, the bus is here. Bus is here. I found a mirror. That's my old job. Not my old job. The spots. Sell the flags. I'm on Utica. Some Parkway. Oh, this is going in the back. Hold on. So, I'm gonna wear flag. Alright, see, they're ready for the Parkway. Let me show y'all. These things right here is for the Parkway tomorrow. They're gonna be in the street. The street gonna be blocked off. They can't even, no bus or anything to ride past here. I'm gonna show y'all how full it's gonna be. I got coconut water, yes. I'm selling things. Fresh coconut water. How much for this? Hold on, that's the accent. I went there. Where man gone? I guess you're not trying to get some money. Are you? Huh? $7 for one. Okay. Alright, I'll be back. Yeah. Look at that one. Yeah, $7. But yeah, so it's gonna go from this line. The street go all the way down. I guess I start from, right? You know, the Parkway hasn't been open for 2 years, so I don't even remember, to be honest. But I think, yeah, if I start from, go straight down, or start from down there, come up here, something like that. What do you want?
Will I get one here?
One is good. You good?
Yeah, good. That water is kind of
Only water?
Yeah, only water.
No jelly?
Okay, you want jelly?
Yeah, I want jelly.
Excuse me? I like it too.
Oh, thanks. Diane. Oh, you have to look nothing fun. please. Look at the money. Let that go. Put that on top. Oh. Oh. Oh, thank you. That's it. I want no tango. Yeah, like 4 o'clock.
Maybe I'll probably use sexy. Use sexy to put it on.
Barbados.
Yeah. I represent.
Trinidad. Jamaica. Which one? Where are you? Oh, you're on some class, right?
Yeah.
Hi. This is good. Catch it by yourself. Catch it by yourself. I'm going to cut you. You know what? Yo, come here. Phone drop. This is not what I'm going to do there now. I'm tripod. Coconut. What if it's good for real? I only got it because I'm like, the last time I went to Jamaica I didn't get it. So I'm like, let me get it. And it's $7. And it tastes good, so money worth it. Yeah, but I know. Listen, I'm not catching nowhere again. I'm not catching nowhere. Because this shit right here don't want me to live. Gonna be no buses, no cars. Ooh, nice new car. These buses running on this. I'm gonna take the B15 bus. No, I'm taking the A train and walk up. Because ain't no bus. I'm not gonna be able to take coconut water kind of fall off. But I'm not gonna see how now I just took the bus up from down there. I'm not gonna be able to take the bus to come up here because the bus not gonna run. These buses can't run through because the parkway gonna be locked. So I'm just gonna have to walk up from all the way down there. Yeah, it's gonna be a long ass walk. Not this guy holding up traffic because he's like, oh, let me get some. I'm like, it's done. Cause I'm literally here. Hi. Huh? It's finished. Why everybody wants some coconut water? It's finished. It's done. How? You got traffic. I'm just here minding my business, drinking my coconut water, and this man, while I'm in the midst of telling you about another person, another one pull up, trying to let me get some. Like, what the hell? And then he's just about to hold up traffic too. Now listen, if you want my number, come around, because I'm not moving again. And I can't hear you, the music playing. So, yeah.
You know this spoon, right? Oh, this is spoon.
Oh, the spoon. Oh. I was like, what are you talking?
You want to know spoon I'm talking about?
Thanks. I don't forgot what he was talking about, but look, cut it for me. I'm about to eat it. Sit down. Let me tell you, but I go upon me. I wish you like it at all. It's good. I enjoy that. But trying to see get myself. I need to go on Church Avenue for a little bit. Let me show y'all what's going on. Can we clean them up? And I ramp it on. I got the cops out here already. Early. I don't need nothing. I have like 3 Jamaican flags. I don't even need none of this. I need to cross. Pineapple. I mean watermelon. I have a shirt. I was over here sell stuff. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. So, then they're gonna be out here tomorrow too. Oh, they're so cute. Look at the little cute some here. These are cute. The Jamaican one there. This is cute. It's for little kids though. Of course. I have adult size.
Can I help you?
Huh?
These are nice.
How much is that? These are nice.
35.
35. Oh, people not paying what you sell everywhere. Looking. Just looking. We're here. 35. That's not bad though. In a way. I need a chain.
Hello.
Hi. You want to look at something? I don't want to do too much. I said beads over here, so. Hi. Try look fun. I don't know, nutcracker. They're gonna be out here tomorrow too. Nutcrackers. Nutcrackers. Lights on. Bad. This is the same thing they have everywhere. They're all over the place. Right.
I go for the food. Is that going to sell? You doing yourself? Alright. Alright. Beautiful.
What's an edible? I don't want no edibles. I think certain people could go on the street. I don't know. I never went on the street before. I'm gonna try tomorrow. I thought I'm trying to come early tomorrow. I don't know. Look at this stuff. I have something like this somewhere tomorrow. I got it from Shein. How much is this? Miss? What? Oh, sorry. I thought it was a guy. A lady. How much is this? 50? Yeah. Okay. That's alright. Thank you. 50? Jesus. I mean, I understand it take time, but still, man. Go across the streets. A little bit cheap. I'm not going to go across the street and come back. I was trying to give you some footage. Basically selling the same thing. Everybody's selling the same thing. See, line up. See the grill stuff. These stuff right here. Yeah, it's going all the way down. All the way down. I don't know where it stopped at, but yeah. out there with a big flag and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go for her because she on good game. I'm just, I didn't even see her. Oh, look at that.
Woman, tell me one
Everybody is selling the same thing. Oh shit, this is not a lot. They have dinner, but I don't think they're gonna. I don't know. Alright, I'm not going to the other side. Like I said, it's the same thing. I'm going to church. I'm going to church. I've been moved. Oh, I'm here walking in the street. What's on? Sorry.
every time.
Right? Wednesday. Very busy. Look, right down here on Church Avenue. The same thing they do up there. They have buses in Jamaica with down to places. They have them dollar van here where they take care of people places. Mostly Jamaican people. Also say Caribbean. This is one and I think this one too. Here them. See my family no? You say? Thanks. Huh? Just buy it hey, Jamaica. You see me how before I'm talking about no either one there. This man. It's £2.99 a pound. We're gonna have tamarind. Let's get some kiwi. I want celery. That's all I want. So $7.99 a pound. Green. Is this green enough? Don't look green enough. I'm gonna try the other store, but I'm gonna buy this. I know chicken, you know. I set me around. I know chicken. Again, got banana already. But just want the yam. And then look at it and they find lychee. I don't know if it's the same thing. A $2 bag. I don't know what this. I think a lychee, you know. But it's two different ones. One of them have spikes and one don't. So I'm confused. Like, what is this? I'm sure it's a 2, 4, 5. This isn't expensive. 5 something for $2. Oh, you're gonna need curry? Man, a curry, yeah? I'm putting curry in here. Better pack. I need to see better pack. Bumbo. How much you got the fuck? You little bag of $8. It's not too full, yo. Look at. It's not full. This one 20. It's not good though. I want to try it, but nah, but that's not $8. Sorry. What is it? Because they have curry, my grace curry, because I'm not going buy that the better pack them. Nah, but so get off on them better pack. Yo, okay, they don't have my grace. I'm going to go to the supermarket. Big peanut punch, $5. And they have a such a supplement for the same size. Bumba, what's up? You see, I'm going to get shredded $1. Look there. Man. Get it.
DJ, where you from? I can't hear you. Jamaican also, thank you, baby. Thank you so much. You're so good. Don't forget to touch the store, stop and get what you need. Happy celebration.
Let me get another avocado. $1. They got it down here too because they're about to start partying tonight. So they have it here, all the way down. I'm gonna go like upstairs. The blue thing upstairs. Up there, I'll tell y'all about that. I'm not going to the other store down there and see if they have